Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. This is a video of the top 5 industry groups for all the people on the big Twitter feed. It's very important. This is a fact. Almost 40 to 50% of a stock price's movement is related to the industry group and the sector that it's in. That's not an opinion, that's a fact. Knowing that, wouldn't it be worthwhile to look at the top groups and the leading stocks in those top groups? And I think the answer is yes. This is the top 5 groups. VIP members get an in-depth analysis of the top 25 groups and the stocks in those groups. So here we go, top 5 groups, let's rock on. Medical, outpatient home care, group 1 was ranked 1 last week. Down on heavy volume right here, you see that? Big reversal bar down. Now this bar, it's stabilized. These are the leading stocks in the group. It was 19 6 months ago. 15, 1, it's hanging in there. Here's the leading stocks in that group for us. You might want to take a note of the name. But I will also tell you this. The market is rough. The market rules. The market rules. Do you have rules related to the market ruling? Here's the next group. Computer, software, and medical. Look at that. Group rank 2. Oh, that's great. Look at it get spanked, falling below the 50-day. Some volume surges in there. Stabilized a little bit on Friday. Here's the leading stocks in this group. Below the 50-day ain't the best thing since sliced bread. Group rank 3. A little bit below the 50-day. Fell on some volume. Group's hanging in there. Here's the leading stocks in this group. Considering how bad the markets got spanked, these groups are hanging in. Here's the leading stocks in this group. Group rank 4. Slipped just a bit. Just a little bit below the 50-day. Fell on heavy volume Friday. Heaviest volume it's had since, let's take a look here. Heaviest volume it's had since the middle of June. That wasn't mom and dad selling. Here we go. Here's the stocks in the group. And finally, group rank 5. Been moving up nicely in rank. Look at that. Now think about this. Is this a function of the group moving and strengthening? Or could it be a function that it's a group that it's getting hit as hard as a lot of other groups? Something to chew on. Here's the leading stocks in that group. Big one in here, TTD right there. This is the leading stocks in this group. I want to share it with you. Here they are. And again, these are the top 5 industry groups. For VIPs, we drill it down to the top 25 industry groups. Here we go. Let's rock on and see what we can do. Folks, as I said, the market rules. We teach rules to deal with how the market rules. And I thank you.